Charis Emmanuel Murray. And we have the happy chef. See how happy he is? He smiles and he grins as he's preparing. And Jay, what is the meal for today? What will the main entree be?
Y'all pick this food out.
And his cooking coach, what is the meal that he is preparing?
Well, today we are preparing a meal of tilapia.
Tilapia?
I would have never known that.
Tilapia.
We caught it and skinned it.
Now, Jay has caught the fish, he skinned it, and now he's coating it. And what is a part of your special seasoning, Jay, that you'd like to share with the television audience? Oh, it's a secret.
Yeah. Mama don't tell nobody.
And his secret seasoning is called And Don't Tell Nobody. It can be found in your local grocer for $9.95. But if you order today, we will give you not one package, not two packages, but 3 for separate shipping and handling. Now, if you come over here with me to the actual stove, you see that some is actually frying, while we have those that are cooked to a perfect golden brown. Now, Jay, what would you say would be the total preparation time?
5-10 minutes?
About 10 minutes. And how long does it take for the family members to eat the food?
Seconds?
Seconds. Which leads us back to the name of your secret special coating is, and don't tell nobody.
Oh, don't tell nobody.
And don't tell nobody. So, an easy 10-minute preparation.
Tilapia.
And coat it with
This yellow stuff.
don't tell nobody.
Mama don't tell
Nobody. Absolutely. Mama don't tell nobody. Mama don't tell nobody. Fried up in fresh hot cooking oil. 10 minutes total preparation time. And your family would dine on it for a matter of seconds. Rolling film.